Section 1. Healthy eating on a budget. It's possible. Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and smart shopping, you can nourish your body without emptying your wallet. Many people assume that fresh produce and nutritious ingredients are expensive, but that's not always true. By making conscious choices and adopting simple strategies, you can enjoy delicious and healthy meals on a budget.
Forget about restrictive diets and expensive superfoods. Let's explore practical tips to make healthy eating affordable and accessible to everyone. Some of the most nutritious foods, such as beans, lentils, rice, and seasonal vegetables, are incredibly affordable. You can create delicious and satisfying meals using these staple ingredients without compromising your health or your budget. Healthy eating doesn't require fancy ingredients or complicated recipes. Another important aspect of budget-friendly healthy eating is planning ahead. By taking some time each week to plan your meals, you can avoid impulse purchases and reduce food waste. Meal planning allows you to create a shopping list based on your needs and stick to it. This not only saves you money but also ensures that you have all the ingredients on hand to prepare healthy meals throughout the week. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different flavors, cuisines, and cooking techniques to make your meals interesting and enjoyable. There are countless online resources and cookbooks that offer budget-friendly recipes using simple ingredients. Healthy eating should be a joyful experience, not a chore. With a little effort and imagination, you can transform affordable ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Section 2. Mastering meal planning, your secret weapon. Meal planning is the cornerstone of budget-friendly healthy eating. It's like having a roadmap for your meals, ensuring you make healthy choices throughout the week. By dedicating a small amount of time each week to plan your meals, you'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on both your wallet and your health. Start by taking inventory of what you already have in your pantry and refrigerator. This will help you avoid buying duplicates and inspire you to use up any ingredients that are nearing their expiration dates. Once you know what you have on hand, you can start brainstorming meal ideas. Browse through cookbooks, online recipes, or even your own recipe collection for inspiration. When selecting recipes, consider those that use similar ingredients. This will help you minimize waste and save money on groceries. For example, if you're planning on making a lentil soup, consider using the leftover lentils for a salad or a veggie burger later in the week. Remember, versatility is key in meal planning. Be sure to factor in your schedule and lifestyle when planning your meals. Finally, don't be afraid to repeat meals you love. There's no shame in having a few go-to recipes that you can easily whip up on busy weeknights. These tried and true meals can be lifesavers when you're short on time or energy. Grocery shopping can be a minefield for your budget if you're not careful. But fear not. Armed with a little knowledge and a dash of strategy, you can conquer the aisles and emerge victorious, your wallet intact. Remember, a well-planned shopping trip is essential for sticking to your budget and avoiding impulse purchases. First and foremost, never shop hungry. When your stomach is rumbling, everything looks tempting, and you're more likely to make unhealthy choices. Eat a satisfying meal or snack before heading to the store to avoid derailing your good intentions. Once you're at the store, stick to your shopping list like glue. It's easy to get sidetracked by tempting displays and special offers, but resist the urge. Another crucial tip is to compare prices. Don't automatically reach for the brand name products. Often generic or store brand items are just as good as their pricier counterparts, especially when it comes to staples like beans, rice, and canned tomatoes. Don't be swayed by fancy packaging or marketing claims. Pay attention to unit prices, which tell you the cost per ounce or pound to make sure you're getting the best deal. Finally, be strategic about where you shop. Big box stores often have lower prices on pantry staples and non-perishable items, while local farmers markets can be great sources for fresh produce, especially at the peak of their seasons. Consider joining a warehouse club if you have the storage space and frequently purchase items in bulk. By exploring different shopping options, you can find the best deals and stretch your food budget further. Batch cooking is a game changer for busy individuals and families looking to save time and money. It involves preparing large quantities of food at once, which can then be enjoyed throughout the week or frozen for later use. Imagine coming home from a long day and having a delicious home-cooked meal ready to go. That's the beauty of batch cooking. Instead of cooking every single day, you can dedicate a few hours on the weekend or your day off to prepare several meals in advance. This frees up your evenings for other activities such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. Plus, you'll only have to clean up the kitchen once. Another benefit of batch cooking is that it helps you resist the temptation of takeout or unhealthy convenience foods. When you have a fridge or freezer stocked with healthy home-cooked meals, you're less likely to reach for that greasy pizza menu or opt for a drive-through dinner. This not only saves you money but also ensures that you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. To get started with batch cooking, choose a day of the week that works best for you and dedicate a few hours to cooking. Select recipes that freeze well, such as soups, stews, casseroles, or grain bowls. Double or triple the recipes as needed to ensure you have enough portions for the week. Once the meals are cooked, let them cool completely before storing them in airtight containers in the fridge or freezer. Leftovers often get a bad rap, conjuring up images of sad, wilted salads and dried-out chicken breasts. But in reality, leftovers are a treasure trove of culinary possibilities, just waiting to be transformed into exciting new dishes. With a little creativity and some pantry staples, you can turn last night's dinner into a brand new meal that's just as delicious as the original, if not more so. For example, leftover roasted vegetables can be tossed into a frittata or quiche for a hearty breakfast or brunch. Leftover grilled chicken or fish can be flaked into a salad or used as a topping for nachos or tacos. And leftover rice or quinoa can be transformed into a stir-fry, fried rice, or even a breakfast porridge. Another strategy is to incorporate leftovers into different cuisines. For instance, leftover roasted chicken can be used to make a flavorful chicken salad sandwich or a classic chicken pot pie. Leftover cooked ground beef can be transformed into tacos, burritos, or chili. And leftover cooked pasta can be tossed with pesto, roasted vegetables, or a simple tomato sauce for a quick and easy weeknight meal. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and spices. Leftovers are a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Add a dash of hot sauce to leftover chili or tacos for an extra kick. Toss leftover roasted vegetables with curry powder and coconut milk for an exotic twist. Beans and rice are the ultimate budget-friendly duo, providing a complete protein and a plethora of essential nutrients at a fraction of the cost of meat. These pantry staples are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless dishes, from hearty soups and stews to flavorful salads and veggie burgers. One of the reasons beans and rice are so budget-friendly is that they are incredibly affordable, especially when purchased in bulk. Dried beans are the most economical option, but canned beans are a convenient alternative, especially if you're short on time. When cooking with dried beans, be sure to soak them overnight to reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. Another reason to love beans and rice is their long shelf life. Dried beans can be stored in a cool, dry place for months, while canned beans have a shelf life of up to a year. This makes them ideal pantry staples, ensuring you always have a healthy and affordable meal option on hand. To prepare a basic pot of beans and rice, simply rinse 1 cup of dried beans and soak them overnight in a large pot of water. The next day, drain and rinse the beans, then add them to a large pot with fresh water, chopped onions, garlic, and your favorite herbs and spices. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the beans are tender, about 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, cook 2 cups of rice according to package directions. Once the beans and rice are cooked, combine them in a large bowl and season to taste. Serve hot, topped with your favorite toppings, such as salsa, avocado, cheese, or sour cream. Eating seasonally is not only delicious but also incredibly budget-friendly. When fruits and vegetables are at their peak, they are more abundant, which drives down prices. Plus, seasonal produce is fresher and more flavorful, as it doesn't have to travel long distances to reach your plate. By embracing the flavors of each season, you can enjoy a wider variety of nutrients and save money at the same time. During the spring, take advantage of the abundance of asparagus, artichokes, peas, and leafy greens. These vibrant vegetables can be enjoyed roasted, grilled, sautéed, or added to salads for a burst of freshness. As the weather warms up, berries, cherries, and stone fruits take center stage. Enjoy them fresh, baked into pies and cobblers, or used to make jams and preserves. Summer brings an abundance of tomatoes, zucchini, corn, and eggplant. These versatile vegetables can be grilled, roasted, or used in countless recipes, from pasta sauces and salsas to pizzas and dips. Don't forget about watermelon, cantaloupe, and other melons, which are incredibly refreshing on hot summer days. As summer transitions into fall, root vegetables, squashes, and apples take center stage. Enjoy hearty soups, stews, and casseroles featuring these comforting ingredients. Apples can be enjoyed fresh, baked into pies and crisps, or used to make applesauce. Winter brings citrus fruits, Brussels sprouts, kale, and other hardy greens. These nutrient-rich foods can be enjoyed roasted, sautéed, or added to soups and stews. By following the rhythm of the seasons, you can enjoy the freshest, most flavorful produce at the best prices. Visit your local farmer's market to see what's in season, and don't be afraid to try new fruits and vegetables. You might just discover your new favorite ingredient. Section 8. Simple and budget-friendly recipes. Deliciousness on a dime. Now that we've covered the basics of budget-friendly healthy eating, let's put our knowledge into practice with a few simple and delicious recipes that won't break the bank. These recipes prove that you don't need expensive ingredients or fancy equipment to create flavorful and nutritious meals. First up, we have a hearty lentil soup that's perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner. Lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber, and they're incredibly affordable, especially when purchased in bulk. This soup is also packed with vegetables, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Next, we have flavorful black bean burgers that are a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional beef burgers. Black beans are a great source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, and they're incredibly versatile. These burgers can be grilled, baked, or pan-fried, and they're delicious served on buns with your favorite toppings. These recipes are just a starting point, and you can easily adapt them to your liking using ingredients you already have on hand. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors, spices, and toppings to create your own signature dishes. Remember, cooking should be fun and enjoyable, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Section 9. Recipe 1. Hearty lentil soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup brown or green lentils, rinsed, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 14.5-ounce can diced tomatoes, undrained. Instructions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the onion, carrots, and celery and cook, stirring occasionally until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. Stir in the thyme, oregano, salt, and pepper. Add the lentils, vegetable broth, and diced tomatoes. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the lentils are tender. 3. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley or a dollop of plain yogurt if desired. Section 10. Recipe 2. Flavorful black bean burgers. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, half an onion, chopped, half a red bell pepper, chopped, 1 15-ounce can black beans, rinsed and drained, half a cup cooked brown rice, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onion and bell pepper and cook, stirring occasionally until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. In a large bowl, mash the black beans with a fork or potato masher until mostly smooth. Stir in the cooked rice, cilantro, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. 3. Form the mixture into 4 patties. Heat a large skillet or grill pan over medium heat. Cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until heated through and lightly browned. 4. Serve the patties on buns with your favorite burger toppings such as lettuce, tomato, onion, avocado, or salsa. Section 11. Embrace the budget-friendly lifestyle. You've got this. Eating healthy on a budget is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that nourish your body and your wallet. By embracing meal planning, strategic shopping, and creative cooking techniques, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new tips into your routine each week. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually add more strategies until you've created a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating that fits your lifestyle and budget. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with new flavors and ingredients. The most important thing is to find what works best for you and your family, and to make healthy eating a delicious and sustainable part of your life.